like, I need less weight.
How many pounds did you cut out?
12 so far.
She thick?
Yeah, just like I like it.
We don't need them.
We don't need those where we're going.
That looks like a pretty flower, actually.
We'll paint it pink. One.
Really? That light? Wow.
Yeah, right? No slipping. No cap. Those things are probably small too. People, when you're building a car, try to come up and think what you're gonna do with it. Because if you go, well, I want to do all the things, it won't do any of the things good, okay? So if it's a street car, it's not gonna be a good race car. If it's a race car, it's not gonna be a good street car. If you wanna be competitive,
yeah.
you gotta ditch the whole street idea. But we have easily dropped.
I know. So who are they for?
Dave Duffy from Jonathan Rogers. You know, of course, only the best. So let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can't shave some weight because I'm really trying to not have to do it the hard way. All right. Ooh, looks so pretty. Ooh, man. Officially official Willwood hardware. Nice.
The box was really light. Yeah. How much do you think you're gonna shave?
We'll put it on a scale. We'll take that stuff off and put the new stuff on. But Dave Varner, Johnson's partner, by the way, is convinced that we might be in like the 30 to 40 pound range compared to what I have on the car. Because what I have on the car is not the factory brakes, obviously. Actually, CTSV brake off of a Cadillac. These are not street brakes. These are drag brakes, where I think that caliper is like the size of the brake pads on what's on the car right now. Let's look at that though, huh? That's pretty. That's just that little guy right there.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
Compared to what's on it too.
Just a little single piston guy. Yeah, right? No slipping. It's so funny too, because most of the customers are like, give me the 4 pistons, give me the 6 pistons.
This is true.
I need
big
more,
brake,
I
big
need
brake.
more bigger brakes.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I need less weight. We're gonna have to do a little corner balancing before World Cup anyway, because unbeknownst to us, we were a little nose heavy. And had to keep adding weight to the rear to counteract that, but we don't want to do that. We don't want to be 300 pounds heavy for the class just to get our weight balance off. Yeah, we need to go on a diet. So the stuff under the dash was first. That's got the blower motor in it. Blower motor, evaporator, and now I'm working at the heater core. This is second, and then we'll do a couple little other tweaks, but
cool.
should be it right now.
What else you got?
Well, that's pretty much it. Oh, what else do I have in the box?
Yeah. What's in the box?
What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Look at that hat, that rotor hat. I guess the rotors are 2 pieces.
Can I feel how heavy it is?
Oh, yeah.
I'm just curious. Sorry. Yeah. Oop. Oh my gosh! Get out! Wow.
Phew.
What'd you drop down there, huh? Instructions?
Yeah.
Instructions. We don't need them.
We don't need those where we're going. Yeah, just a nice big old chunk of forged metal. So there you go. That is your it's your rotors.
Wow. That looks like a pretty flower, actually.
We'll paint it pink.
A flower. Gonna take Duffy's flower. Go ahead, take it.
Oh yeah, it's pretty light.
Yeah, feel this.
What's that? I bet you one of the factory rotors that are on it weighs more than 2 of those. Just one probably weighs both of those. Yeah.
Both of them.
Both of them. Both. Oh yeah, here.
No, I already know. I gotta use my whole arm.
Rotating weight too. Yeah.
Is that the caliper in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at this little guy.
Looks like I think back brake. I was gonna say those things are probably small too.
Get out!
You know what that looks like? You know what they look like? They look like motorcycle brake pads.
Yeah. Yeah, off of like a 600. Because
Yeah.
that ain't,
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Now,
funny.
now you know why you rely on the parachute.
Yeah, no kidding.
these
Wow.
little guys still have some bite to them.
He says the pedal is going to be a little softer because of less caliper. So it's going to be a lighter pedal feel, but maybe that means that it'll actually feel more, a little bit more normal.
She thick.
Yeah, just like I like it. One day, we will go to low drag spindle mounts. That day is not today. Dave Varner, keep working on, spindle mounts for these cars, please. Thank you. He says he's coming out with them soon. If this was like a spindle mat, like low drag bearing setup, you could go like this, and the thing would just. But there's a lot of other fat to be trimmed off of this car before I worry about that, I suppose.
Yeah, that is.
Facts.
I am interested to see the weight difference, so we'll weigh them afterwards.
Oh yeah.
Wait now?
You're dead on the nose. You're fucking dead on the nose.
That's insane.
It's not light, man. And it's rotational weight too.
The rotor race fine line with that back.
Well, that's why I can't wait.
Yeah, that dog's gonna be a mighty.
Oh yeah, she's
Holy cow.
she girthy. I mean, she's meant to stop a Cadillac.
No, I know. She did her job.
She did her job.
Just sore.
Do we need to go get the Harper freight wrench?
Yeah, right. No slipping. No cap.
Okay. This is insane, by the way. This is probably
Maybe 10.
Yeah, I don't think it was a 10 either. That's what I'm looking at. It's not.
per wheel.
Yeah, that's. I mean, it's just because this stuff's so. That's 18 pounds. I mean, dude, he said 30 to 40 pounds. He was closer to the right, on the 40 side.
18 pounds
18
per
pounds
side.
per side
All right.
of rotating weight. Well, not the all of it, but unsprung weight, I should say. Should we catch all that delicious brake fluid?
Are you as light as you thought you would be?
Well, I mean, so that second trans cooler really played a role. I mean, if you think about what we just did there, I just added fuel, right? I easily added 2-3 gallons of fuel to it, which is 16 pounds, give or take. So let's just say 15 pounds of fuel I added. Added 15 pounds of fuel, and we are still 57 pounds less than I was when we just took the car. Now, we had some sandbags that we took out of weight ballast, but we have easily dropped 70, 80 pounds. So,
Plus, I bet the distribution of weight is going to be better because you're lightening up in the front where you were heavy before.
yeah, I think we're still going to have to put a little bit of weight in the back. From a weight bias standpoint, 28.4 and 25.7. So that's still 54. Gosh, still nose heavy. Even after all that.
Well,
Yeah, still nose heavy.
but lighter.
But lighter.
That's key.
But lighter. Yeah, I mean, I still think we're going to be heavy for the class. So I have to be 3350. All right.
Until then.
YOLO. I mean,
Low.
It's, you know, over the winter time, maybe we'll cut the nose off and tube the front end and all that stuff.